ওয়েলকাম টু আওয়ার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব কিছুই পারে না ইংলিশ কোর্সের এবিসি সেন্টেন্স উইথ অ্যালফাবেটস নিয়ে সেন্টেন্স তৈরি হচ্ছে, সেগুলো নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। তার আগে একটা কথা বলে দিচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে, চ্যানেলটাকে ভালো লাগলে শেয়ার করবে, সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, কোথাও না বুঝতে পারলে কমেন্ট করবে, লাইক করবে। তো চলো আমরা ক্লাসটা শুরু করছি। এ দিয়ে আপেল, I ate apple, the apple was tasty or delicious. A দিয়ে animal, the dog is an animal. A দিয়ে air, the air is very hot. Ant are very small and helpful. Art, the art is very expensive. Arm, my arm hurts. And Rashid and Samiha are good friends. Age, my age is 25. X, the X is very heavy. Aunt, she is my aunt. M, my aim is that I want to be a doctor. B মানে B দিয়ে ball, I have a ball. Bat, Rashid has a bat. Big, this house is very big. Bus, I will go to school by bus. Book, I open the book. Baby, the baby is crying. Bed, this is a bed. The bed is broken. Brother, he is my brother. I have a brother. Boy, he is a small boy. Bag, I am holding my bag. Bird, the bird is flying. Bite, Rashid will bite the burger. Box, the box is empty. Bread, this bread is fresh. Busy, the businessman is busy. Break, Rashid will break the plate. Samia broke the plate. Cat, I have a gentle cat. Car, I have a fast car. Cow, that is a red cow. Cup, there is a water in the cup. City, this is a big city. Cake, this cake is delicious. Chair, I am sitting on a chair. Coat, Samia gave Rashid this coat. Cookie, this cookie is very soft. Child, she has a child. Cry, the baby is crying. Cold, it is very cold today. Cut, Rashid will cut Samia hair. Come, I will come to your house tomorrow. Children, the children are playing in the playground. Call, I will call you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Can, Rashid will throw the can. Close the doctor. I close the door. Clean, I will clean my room. Dog, I have a pet dog. Door, the door is open. Day, today is a good day. Dad, he is my dad. Duck, we will eat duck today. Doll, Samiha bought a new doll. Drink, I want a drink tomorrow. I want a drink water. Dance, I should dance at the wedding. Desk, the book is on the table. Dark, the room is dark. Down, I am walking down on the stairs. Drive, I want to drive your car. Dream, I dream every night. Dress, this is a beautiful dress. Dry, the sand is dry. There is a dust on the table. Dirty, there is a dirty on the floor. Doctor, he is a successful doctor. Deep, this pond is very deep. Dig, I have a dig hole. I want to eat breakfast. I like to eat I like to eat egg. Elephant, that elephant is very big. Ark, my ear is clean. My ear is clean. Eye, I will close my eye. Easy. This exam is easy. Earth. The earth is round. And end. This is the end of the movie. Enter. I will enter your house now. Exit. I will exit your house now. Energy. He has energy. Enjoy. I enjoy watching movie. Excited. I am excited for the concern. Empty. The box is empty. Early. I wake up early. Example. This is an example. This is an example. Fun. The movie is fun. Food. I will eat food at 3 p.m. Friend. He is my friend. Family. I have a beautiful family. Fish. I like to eat fish with rice. Fast. My car is very fast. Find. My find. I want to find my phone. Feel. I feel bad. I feel bad. I feel sad. I feel happy. I feel good. Your face is beautiful. He is far from Dhaka. This glass is full of water. He is a funny man. I am feeling from my chair. The body's face. I will fish. I will finish this race. I am fine. The policeman gave. The policeman gave reached a fine. The fire is burning. Samia gave Rashid a flower. I killed the fly. The bird is flying. He is the first boy in the class. Good. He is a good student. Game. I like the game. Girl. She is a pretty girl. Green. The flag is Bangladesh to green is green and red. The flag of Bangladesh is green and red. Great. This food is great. Go. I go to school to my school now. Get. I will get a gift tomorrow. Give. I will give a gift tomorrow. Garden. I have a beautiful garden. Gate. The gate is open. Gold. Gold is very expensive. Glass. The glass is broken. Giant. Giant. That is a giant tree. Group. We are a group. We are a good group. Ground. This is sitting on the ground. Gun. I have a gun. Gift. I want to gift you. I want to give you a gift. Ghost. I saw a ghost. Hat. I have many hat. House. This is our house. Hand. This hand. My hand is dirty. Head. My head. Heart. Heart. I have a healthy heart. Happy. She is happy woman. She is happy woman. Help. I want help. High. The mountain is very high. Hot. It is hot today. Here I am standing here. Hope. I hope you will you come. Will you to our house tomorrow? Hurt. My leg hurt. My leg hurt. HRD hard. This rock is very hard. This exam is very hard. Heavy. This chair is very heavy. Hold. I am holding my bag. How? Rashid will tell me how to. This I am holding your bag. How? Rashid will tell me how cook a tree. Here hungry. I feel hungry. I I feel hungry. I am hungry. তো চলো ক্লাসটা এখানে শেষ করছি। পরের ভিডিওতে আমরা নতুন ওয়ার্ড নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ঠিক আছে, তো চলো ক্লাসটা এখানেই শেষ করছি।